Just had the morning in Giza overlooking the 3 pyramids and the Sphinx, and today is my last day in Egypt, and we'll be doing a full tour of all of the pyramids, starting at Dahshur in the south with the red pyramid and the bent pyramid, heading next to Saqqara with the complex of pyramids, Memphis, the ancient capital, and then finally Abusir with the 4 ruined pyramids before finally ending back in Giza. So there's actually not just the Giza pyramids, there's a long chain of pyramids going all the way down to Dahshur, which I'll be exploring today. So we've just arrived at Dahshur. The ticket was £110, which is about $5 US. The entrance, as you can see, is up there. So first you have to climb up, and then to go in you have to climb down again, and then do everything in reverse. So I don't know how many of these I'm going to be able to manage today. There's a bus that's just arriving there. We just made it before everyone. It's about maybe 8:30 AM. So let me try this first one. I'm still having stomach issues. I don't know if I can handle this all day. We'll try. So I have to climb all the way up and then all the way down the shaft when I get in. And just for safety, I'm waiting for other people. There's nobody here. I mean, for safety, it's better if someone's with you. But okay, I'm just going to go slowly. Hopefully people will come. So I'm almost there and nobody's come. I think they're just taking pictures outside. Because I don't want to do this by myself. So I didn't go in, my stomach is still funny, it's playing up. There was nobody there at the time. I didn't want to go in alone. So I'll see. It's not as big as the climb with the down. I think it might be worse because they're saying that this one's. And in the background there, I think that's the Black Pyramid. You can just see Bake Hill. Okay, you just have all 3 now. There's the Red Pyramid that we came from. Here is the Black Pyramid, which we're not going to. And this is the Bent Pyramid, which we're probably not going to go inside either. I'm just going to go up the staircase and see how bad it is. So they're right, this one is a lot longer, and there's no way I'm going down that with or without a bad stomach. So the people coming down are covered in sweat from head to toe, so it's really stuffy like the Valley of the Kings. Yes. So this is the Memphis Museum. So there's just a few things here. So I think we buy the ticket again and he's going to have to drive us because it's quite a big distance, like the Red Pyramid and the Bent Pyramid. So they're going to drive us. So you have to figure out the different ticket types.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a busy tourist spot. There's a Step Pyramid there. There's another half pyramid there. Actually, there's two. There's a Step Pyramid, there's like a half pyramid, there's another pyramid. I have to look on my map to figure out what all these places are. This was an extra ticket that I didn't do because of the depth that you have to go down. Can't see it from this side. I think I figured out my bearings, so that's the Step Pyramid. These are the royal tombs, which I didn't buy a separate ticket for because they're quite deep. And I'm going to the Pyramid of Unas, which is that crumbling one. So this is the line to get into the Pyramid of Unas.
The name of the King Unas, O-N-A-S.
Sorry.
Dynasty 5, 2400 BC.
So it's the same as the Valley of the Kings. It's quite manageable. It's just the crowds and it's very stuffy down there. So just have something to fan yourself with. Go slowly. It's not as deep as the Red Pyramid and the Bent Pyramid, which I would have been dead if I did both of those, and then climbing all of these ones. Inside the Step Pyramid, and apparently there's nobody here right now. So I picked the perfect time. Again, this is better than the Bent Pyramid and the Red Pyramid that I didn't go to because you'd have to climb all the way up and then climb all the way down. Whereas this is already starting from the base. So there's nobody here. There's a cool breeze. Just watch your head because that's about 5 foot height. That's just how far down it is. And then there's the roof. Well, that's not the roof, it goes much higher than that. So there's nobody here. Nobody here. Came at the perfect time. Okay, so in this map, we've only done this southern part here. We're by the Step Pyramid. So to do these other parts, that's the parking lot. I think he has to drive me around. So let's see what they say. So there's the Step Pyramid. Alright, so there's a second complex here. So you have to drive around to the sites. You can't do all this on foot. Okay, this is Teti. Again, it's not as bad as the Red Pyramid and the Bent Pyramid because you can see the base there. So that was the long crawl passage, and now there's the stairway up.
È preoccupato perché ha lasciato la mamma e della mamma, tutti guardano qua, la strada atrás della mamma, guardate, le ossa, queste guerre non si preoccupare. Sì, questo è il capo, si guarda dietro per...
So nobody from the groups has walked around to the back of the building, because there's another empty one here I shall have all to myself. So I'm calling it quits again because not everything is open. The heat is moderately okay, but I'm still feeling funny from my stomach and sleep and stuff, so that's essentially it. So we did the Red Pyramid and the Bent Pyramid at Dahshur. We did Memphis. This is now Saqqara. I can't remember the fourth name, but it's closed for restoration, so we can't go there. So, and again, you need a car to get around inside here. You cannot do this on foot. So this is literally the last thing I'm doing on the day that I'm leaving because there are too many logistical issues and stomach problems and stuff. So I was debating if I should even come because my hotel just overlooks it. So when I walked in, a guy pretended to ask for my ticket, had a badge and everything, wouldn't give me my ticket back, and then was trying to take me to a camel or a horse carriageway. And so I made him give my ticket back and said no. So just be careful, Lydia. So first you go through Khafre's temple to get to the Sphinx. So this side only leads you to the Sphinx and then back out again. So I have to go all the way around to that road with the cars to go up to the pyramids. Who knows what they charge you if you don't see that sign? So it's gone 3 o'clock. It is quite breezy because you're at a high elevation here. You still have all these people hassling you for horse ride, camel ride, whatever. Buy this, buy that. So I think this is how to go in, but I don't see anyone going in.
It's so hot in here.
kind of see the span here, or there's more people up on the hill there. Those two people are the French people from the Luxor cruise. I'm surprised I bumped into them here. The one in the red and the white. So I'm calling it quits for today. I did not plan on doing all the pyramids in one day from Dahshur, Saqqara and Giza, but the logistics of how things kept getting moved around and problems, stomach issues and stuff. I only had today left to do Giza. I tried to do Giza yesterday and the day before, but it didn't work out, so this was the only day left. Anyway, so that's it. I'm heading to the airport tonight. So this is my Pyramid View Hotel. It's just too hot to go out right now, so I'll see the light and sound show later. So I need to shower. So this is my Giza Hotel. I'm literally watching the sun go down over the Sphinx.